Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. We are driving on the section from Yalos Bridge from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge. So we are looking at the progress made. Now the new deadline for this highway to be completed, the section from Harborview to Yalos, is August 2023. It has changed from April 2023 to August 2023. And the entire highway, that's the section from Harborview. Wow, yes. Maybe that's a single lane bridge and we didn't know, but that was definitely too close. Okay, the section, the entire project runs from Harborview to Port Antonio, going through St. Thomas. So that project is, well, the last date was 2025. So let's see what happens with the entire highway. But today we're just focusing on this section from Harborview to Yalos. And this section is going to be 4 lanes. From Harborview to Yalos, it's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway with a concrete barricade. Now from Yalos to Port Antonio, it's going to be 2 lanes in some sections, 4 lanes in other sections. And the Prime Minister toured this project. That's when they announced the new date of August 2023. And they had 3 concerns. One of the concerns was the dust. And you can see this water truck here wetting the ground, and that was one of the things discussed when the Prime Minister toured the project. Another thing that was discussed was that persons must have access to their properties. So we're now it's the end of April, so just call it May. So you have May, June, July, August, 4 months. Oh, that's going to be cutting it really close. And I really don't understand how they come up with these dates. I've never seen a road project finish on time. I've never seen a building finish on time. May, June, July, August, 4 months. 4 months. As we said, we'll keep you guys updated every 2 weeks. We'll make a video showing the progress, so you can like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I mean, what they should have just said by the end of the year, but it's China Harbor Engineering Company doing the work. That's a Chinese company, so let's see what happens. But as I said, we'll give you updates every 2 weeks. Now what's going on here is the road is being upgraded to 4 lanes and the concrete barricade put in. So on the left, you can see they have cleared the way for the additional 2 lanes, and then the 2 lanes of the existing main road will be upgraded to highway quality roads. So straight ahead you can see the concrete barricade. That's the Jersey barrier, that's the correct word for it, and that will be in the middle of the road. So that Jersey barrier has to go all the way up to the Harborview Bridge in 4 months. I don't know. Guys, what do you think? Do you think this road can be finished by August 2023 in 4 months? 4 months. And in March, they said the road will be finished in April 2023. Then in April, they said August. I mean, maybe some sections will be finished by the end of August, but I don't see the entire roadway from Harborview to Yalos being completed in 4 months. I mean, The left side of the road is not ready. This road that we're driving on is not ready. But as I said, we'll keep you guys updated. But the good thing about this road is whenever it's completed, it's going to be free to use. You don't have to pay toll to use this road. So that's very good. The other highway like this, which is Highway 2000, runs from Kingston to Ocho Rios. That's a toll road. You have to pay a toll. And then the road from Kingston to Montego Bay, the Highway 2000 section is a toll road, and you have to pay to use it. Now, they have a police station up here, the Buff Bay Police Station, and it's literally in the path of the highway. So it was announced recently that they're going to, well, everybody knew the police station had to be removed. I was always of the opinion that they were building another one, and we tried to make a video of the construction. So we asked people, there is a police station straight ahead. Where are they building a new police station? Nobody knew. So it was announced recently, as in probably 2 weeks ago, there's a police station in the path of the road. That this police station has to be destroyed for the road, and a temporary police station is going to be built. Which I found very, very strange, because it was known from the highway started that that police station was in the road. So they're just saying now that they're going to build a temporary police station. But they knew years ago that the police station had to be rebuilt. I'm sure many persons thought a new police station was being built while the road work was going on, but it was announced about 2 weeks ago that a temporary police station is going to be built. A temporary police station. And I'm not sure why. They had more than enough time, years, to find a location and build a police station. But nonetheless, that's what's going on with the police station. And this side of the road is... Now, National Works Agency has responsibility for this road, and they are in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. They are not in the Ministry of Transport. Subscriber left a message saying that NWA is not in the Ministry of Economic Growth, it's in the Ministry of Transport. But it used to be. It is now in the Ministry of Economic Growth. So I just wanted to point that out to the subscriber. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. And remember to like, share and subscribe. We will make update videos on this project every 2 weeks, and we'll go as far as the Yalos Bridge for now, or actually into Yalos, because you need to check out that road, man. That is another video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.